Hey guys, Todd here. Today we are out on an adventure in the Florida wilderness, and I want to tell you what I like about the Rhino Rack Batwing awning. First of all, everything here is well thought out and very high quality. The tarp is made from ripstop fabric, so it's tear and puncture resistant. It's also rated to UV 50+, and it doesn't just protect you and your gear from the sun, it also provides 118 square feet of shelter from the rain. Now, I do want to point out that since these wrap around the back, they are left and right side specific, and what we're working with here is a left side unit. Now, let me show you how easy it is to deploy. The storage bag looks great and is made out of heavy-duty PVC, which is especially important if you're going to be doing some off-roading because you want to protect what's inside from low-hanging branches and limbs you might encounter on a trail. Let's go ahead and pull loose this Velcro flap and let's start to unzip it. This is where I like to pull out the peg bag. Now, the peg bag is going to include everything you need for initial setup, and I love the fact that it's all self-contained. That way, I'm not having to search for components. Okay, now let's go ahead and run that zipper to the front. Next, we can roll the bag over the top. Here we can see our awning arms, and they're held in place magnetically, which is really helpful when you're setting up and when you're packing down. Now we're going to undo these 3 Velcro straps, and the tarp will unfold. Now, as we swing out each awning arm, we're also going to unclip and set each leg. Now, these legs are powder coated for corrosion resistance, and they're adjustable because where you set up may or may not be level. Now with it fully extended, go ahead and take our strap, attach it to our tie down, and cinch that down to keep tension. Now we can go ahead and set our legs with our guy ropes and our tent pegs. The guy rope tensioners are brilliantly simple, and I love the fact they use high visibility ropes, so that way I don't have to worry about running into them in low light conditions. With the legs secured, you now have 270 degrees of awning for an instant base camp. And packing down is just as easy, so you can be off to your next adventure at a moment's notice. The Batwing can mount to different types of rack systems using the proper fit kit, and it's backed by a 1-year warranty. We ship it for free to lower 48 states. If you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.